Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we are beginning a new journey. We are starting a series in which I will teach you how to create website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. There are a few steps we are following. Step 1. Create a HTML file. Step 2. Create a simple HTML layout. Step 3. Writing a line in website. Step 4. Installing an extension to run our page. Step 5. Text decoration we can use in website. Note I am using Visual Studio Code for coding, so I am operating shortcuts which are only available in Visual Studio Code. Step 1. To create file, we have to hover over your folder name and 4 icons will appear. You have to click on the first icon and we have to name it and add .html at the last. Congratulations, you have created your first HTML file. Step 2. Note I am writing syntax in, so you will not be confused. To create our first layout of HTML, we have a shortcut. We have to write HTML5. After writing that, we have to press Tab button on keyboard. Note don't press space on keyboard. It will automatically generate a layout for you because you are using Visual Studio Code, which has many shortcuts. So HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Lang means language and N means English. So we have to write lang equals ben. Head is most important thing for HTML because we are joining files by writing some syntax. We will discuss that in next video. Title document is /title. If we have to write syntax in HTML, we have this. In between we have to write our syntax like this title, and we have to end the syntax with a / like /title. In head, we have to write title my first project title / title means the main title of the website like YouTube. In between we have to write our text, we have to title it like. So we are changing our title to my first project. All syntax is written like that. Body is the page. Body equals page. Anything we will write in body, it will display in page.
Step 3. Like if I have to write, hello, welcome to my channel, I can display that. Using P/P, P means paragraph. P, hello, welcome to my channel, /P. Note the text which we have to display should be inside of, like P. In this we have to write our text /P. Step 4. To run our page, we have to install extension. Shortcut for this is Ctrl+Shift+X. Extension name is Live Server, or you can install Live Preview. So first enable the shortcut by Ctrl+Shift+X. In search bar, search Live Server or Live Preview. I had already installed it. I had already installed it, so I am not uninstalling it and installing again. If you are using Live Server, after installing extension, we have to run our page by right-click on File and selecting Open with Live Server option. If you are using Live Preview, after installing extension, we have to run our page by clicking on button which is top right side, Show Preview. I'm right now not using Live Server because it will not show it to you because my recorder can display one screen at a time. Note, don't forget to save the file. First, I am showing you how to enable Live Server. Now, I am showing you how to enable Live Preview. Live Preview is very beneficial because it will change automatically when you write a syntax. You don't need to save it. This is how we are running our page in Visual Studio Code. Step 5. There are many text decorations, but we are discussing only few basic ones. 1. Head 1 H1 to head 6 H6. 2. Paragraph P. 3. Bold B. 4. Italic I. 5. Underline U. 1. Head have 6 different types 1 to 6. BR means enter in simple words. We are using BR for space. I am writing in sequence-wise. H7 don't exist, so it will not work. See, each head has different size. Depends on you what you want. There are 6 types, so there is no 7-1. C7 is not smaller than 6. Two, we have learned about paragraph, and it is simple, and P is larger than head 6. 3, you have heard what does the word bold means. Right, we have a syntax, B/B. It is like head 1 but smaller in size. Don't forget to add BR or it will mix up. Italic means slant, I/I. it is slanty, you can see it. 5. You already know what the underlined word means. U/U. So these are text decoration in HTML. This is it for this video. Thank you.